Alright guys, so this is the car me like. You see it nice? They're all like cute and all these things. It does nice. It's nice. Hi guys, how y'all doing? So it's Monday. We got Shanique over here. Hi Booby. What's up?
Nothing.
Okay. So yes guys, if you have not yet subscribed to her channel, go ahead and do so as Sassy Shan. Yes guys, so right now I'm about to edit a video, then fix up my class them for the week. I kind of run late. I'm gonna show them what I do for you. For last night I do it. For when we're in a fall, I'm gonna show them. So this book I found when I was cleaning out my my bookcase, and I said, you know, I'm going to give it to my baby Jen. And then I opened it and I got so excited to, you know, I just wanted something to do yesterday, and I said I was going to color one picture. I colored one, and the one turned into 2 and 3, 4 and 5. 6 and 7, 8 and 9, 10 and 11. I'm right here now. I did this today, and I started this. So I did all of this today. So I did this, and this today. This is finished, but the rest of them, this was done yesterday, and so on. So what I'm thinking, I can still give her this book, but after I finish color, catching this and I color this good, I want it to color pretty. So I'm thinking give it to her as a storybook after I'm finished coloring. So the pages them kind of have this little something in it. So what I asked mom to do after me done color them, whichever one I pull out. Hi Taylor. Whichever one pulling out, mommy I gonna put the clear tape over it, and then I'll give it to her as a storybook. So that would be cute. Since Tanisha can't color nothing, and the picture them so cute, them have to go color cute. Like look on these princesses, you know? It's awfully pretty. Good morning guys. It is Tuesday, and right now I basically at class, but not necessarily because I'm not doing any video call today. But yeah, I get to go and comb my hair though, because I might be going somewhere. I can't tell me why. But nice things them pull out already. I fixed them on them pull out. So hurt. Anyways, I fix them after I'm done bed. Yeah, so I should be going to May Pen today, and hopefully I can get some of my facial stuff today. But yeah, that is what's going down today. I hope you guys are having a great day and all, and I'll see you guys in the rest of this video. Hi guys. Hey boo. Where are the pants now? We're fast one care. We're not gonna care, but we're fast one care. We're not bite yet, but yeah. On here, people, I like that BMW.
Yeah, look on the BMW. That feature.
It's nice to show up now. I like that car here, people. I like that car here. So Shanique like that car here. You like the BMW.
The girl is scared to fit that the ass thing.
Me would mind in car keep the BMW. What is it? Hi mom. Alright. Don't would mind in car. Come and show me your car sexy. Yeah, sexy like chicken. Alright guys, so this is the car me like. You see it nice? They're all like cute and all these things. It does nice. It's nice. Hey guys. Yeah, bye. Mats. So we're in Hawa Square, and we pick up yoga mats because we're working out and we needed a mat, so we bought a mat. Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday morning. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi. Anyways, so I think the last clips you guys saw was us in May Pen, I think, but we didn't really do a shopping thingy really. So we bought mostly, what do you call that, groceries, yeah. But we did buy some things. Mommy, I open. Yeah. You wanna to see your things? I look, you will see her up neat. She bought something near looking. You know, me did think that would have been more orangish.
I thought it was red.
Nah. I bought purple. Mommy got
red, green.
that one. And I think Janet got the pink one, but that looks more pink.
This is good.
Look pinkish. But yeah. Good morning, guys, and welcome to, oh yeah, me telling you welcome to the day already. Anyways, we're in the kitchen with Mama again, and we're gonna make breakfast. Mommy is mixing up some pancakes. I'm gonna boil some eggs, and because I have late class today, so I can stay with Mommy in the kitchen for a while. So yeah, as I said, guys, we're supposed to disturb Shanika. Shanika, the one video up on our phone is like, what? Every noise that you hear in the background, it will go sound in the video. But yeah, that's what the Android phones do, I think. So yeah, I hope you guys are doing great. What's new with y'all? What is new with me? Nothing really, just school, and can't wait for December. I'm excited. Alright, guys, so I'm not even sure what this vlog is, because me looking back and editing, because I started to edit this vlog like from, I think it was about Wednesday or Thursday. No, it was Wednesday or Tuesday. It wasn't yesterday. I didn't edit anything yesterday, but I don't know what this vlog is, and I don't even have enough footage. So we're gonna be vlogging for today. Today's Friday, and I'm supposed to be having class like right now, but just like last week Friday, nothing in a show up. I have like what, 3 kids in my class that accepted my my class link. Oh, by the way, guys, I put in some of my extension just to make the ear look different-ish. So yeah, this is the hairstyle for today. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't have any kids in my class. It's like I'm supposed to have class 9 to 12. It is now 9:29, and if you don't believe me, can y'all see anything? You see that? 0 pitney. So yeah. Anyway, so I did say right now, my bed and everything, and put on clothes, you know, ready for the say if I should do a video call today, I'd be ready, but nobody turned up, so I'm gonna wash the plates and film a video. Oh, I want to film a video for Halloween, so I'm not sure if this is gonna come out first or that one. I think this might come out later on today. Just want to get some more footage on it, and then, you know, upload it today. So it might be later than 12, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish cleaning and such before 12. So, but in case I do, you know, you will get it at 12. So yeah, let us go and wash. I'm gonna start up my clothes, go put them in the machine, and And so, oh guys, I forgot to show you guys, I washed my bear. Let's go take a look at my baby. Like, I don't know if I said it to you guys before, but I'm a bear. Oh, yeah, there we go. My puppy that I sleep with all the time, it did dirty. Well, me feel like it dirty. I've had it for 3 or so years, I think. Anyways, I had it for about 3 or so years, and I didn't even wash it. So I washed him, and he's drying. He's practically dry. I'm just sunning him for now. And if you don't realize, here, so kind of, you know, it's like the sponge inside of it kind of wear out. So what I also did when I was in high school, I made like a pillow pet, because the entire pillow pet did a go on, and this is it. So what I did was to take out the stuffing, because that pillow pet ain't saying nothing, and I washed it. So these are the stuffings, or some of the stuffings. I didn't do all of them, so they're sunning. I don't know if I've put them for them sun, and I know they're not gonna dry in this. So what I plan to do, like the top ones, when the top part dry, then I'll take that out, but it's not gonna dry for now, but I just need somewhere else to put them, but I don't know where. But yeah, that's what's going on. My bear is drying, and now I'm gonna, you know, wash.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing.
Alright guys, so now I'm gonna wash plates. I changed my blouse because when I wash plates, I don't know if this happens to you guys, but whenever I wash plates, I always wet up my clothes, especially on the bottom. So I ain't about to wet up that blouse, so I changed into a different blouse because I want to film a video in that blouse. So yeah, I'm gonna do a makeup look, as I said, the Halloween look. I'm gonna try. So right now I'm gonna grab my phone, and I'm gonna grab my earphone and go, well, not my earphone, my sister's earphone, and go and wash plates and then come back, and I'll see you guys when I get back.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed. When we play our roles
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a video. Share this video with your friends, with your families, everybody, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.